Hi, I'm Petra, and this video is about introducing the LifeDesign module, or the LifeDesign part of the overall Earthpuzzle project. Discovering, clarifying, knowing and acting upon your real soul's purpose is one of the most important things that can and will happen in your life, and this thing is what everyone should be focused on as a priority, what to do with themselves. Hi, I'm Petra, and ever since I have become clear with my soul's mission, my own soul's purpose and my own soul's plan, I live my life every day focused and driven to manifest my soul's purpose. I have very clear and intentional goals and projects. I'm very focused and I'm just very motivated every day. Can't wait to get up, don't want to go to sleep, because I just cannot stop doing what I have to do and what I came here to do. So I am an awakening and holistic health mentor focused on a soul purpose, soul mission manifestation based, organic, disciplined and structured lifestyle with a special focus on holistic health through detox, juicing and raw veganism. My most important and biggest soul's purpose and mission is the Truth Project, the Earthpuzzle project, and this section of the Earthpuzzle project is designed and intended to help you discover your own purpose, to help you create a life that is absolutely your life mission focused life, and having health, having holistic health, having health as a base for your life, because on health and on a healthy lifestyle and a structured and organized and disciplined lifestyle, so on this is what your soul purpose is built upon. So the single focus of this LifeDesign module is for you to discover and manifest your real, source-given, divine plan, designed, real spiritual soul purpose. The LifeDesign module keywords is soul purpose manifestation, lifestyle, planning and achieving, effective lifestyle, logistics, routines and habits, meaning really owning and really being careful with your time, money and energy, because everyone and everything wants to steal it from you without giving any life-giving real value back. Organization, planning, systems, logistics, like I already said, developing virtues such as discipline, focus, willpower, diligence, responsibility and maturity. So most of us, lots of us have come here to this planet to help and do something because we have heard the call and we have been called. And that means that we came here to specifically help in various ways, any way we can, through humanitarian, goodwill, love-based, service to others, helpful, freedom and truth projects. So, have you ever felt like just wandering around and feeling like you are being trapped somehow, or your money is being just somehow, you are being stolen, robbed, your time is being messed by with others, stealing your time, like pulling your time, pulling your energy, or you are just wandering around and you just feel flat and just, you can't even name it for yourself, but you feel that this is not what you should be doing, and there's actually no point. There's no point in what you are doing. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't help anyone. It's not beneficial. It doesn't make any sense what you are doing. You are just existing in a way that is not your highest potential. So look at your life now, and what state is your life in now, in all levels, everywhere, and assess for yourself if it's okay, do you think you have the basis of everything, from having a clean and organized home, a clean and organized phone, daily schedules, systems in your life that makes your life flowing, easy, and that saves you the most time, money and energy, and that just makes sense. I'm asking this because most of us, that's good, without a few exceptions, I was just thinking how to phrase this, but these are very basic life skills that we haven't been taught, neither in school nor in anywhere, how to lead and own our lives in a professional way, especially in this era of an insane amount of traps and temptations. So don't worry if you feel like you don't have any of this, like structure or discipline or organizations or soul purpose or nothing. Do not worry and do not feel bad, because we haven't been taught these basic life skills intentionally. So when you start to wake up and when you start somehow cosmic intelligence starts to penetrate you, and then you are going to go through sort of a remake, and that's gonna be much worse, much better. Everything is gonna turn out to be a much better version and edition than you were before. So when I have started to really get clear and organized and effective, but not in a slave productivity way, not in a, oh, I have to be a better worker or slave, oh, yeah, I'm so productive for the system, and oh, look at how amazing communist and productive communist I am. I don't mean anyone to be a productive, working their ass off and be slave in the slave colony. I don't mean that. What I mean is effectiveness, like in a way that you are not being stolen and you are not doing superficial, unnecessary rounds, like going to the store every day. Instead, you could go just once, and you could save so much time and energy and money. So when I started to get very clear and organized, I started to develop discipline and structures and systems, and it's still going on. I'm like halfway there. I'm like 60% out of the 120 I will be, but it just helped me so much with structure, with order, and it helps just an insane amount to be very intentional on what your thing is. Do your thing, focus on your thing, and do not let anyone to steer you away from it, because that's what the system wants, to steal everything from you, actually. So there's a blog for this video too, and I'm just thinking about how to say it. Yes, because I'm always in the same. So yeah, there's a blog for this video too, because there's always another blog. Like first I write the blog and then I make a video out of the blog, because I don't know, just because I don't know why I do this. I mean, yeah, I know why I do this. it's just better. I mean, I could have this read out loud, but I don't want artificial intelligence to read my blog, so I'm just doing a video out of it. So anyways, and there's a mentor group called BIOREGENESIS, and that is the health and lifestyle module and mentor group of the Earthpuzzle project, because I'm running and hosting 3 groups. One is the Earthpuzzle Deep Study group, second is the LifeDesign mentor group, LifeDesign BIOREGENESIS, but I call it BIOREGENESIS just because of easiness sake, and the Sophia mentor group for females. So my main 3D, simple, everyday, earth-based profession was and is holistic health and lifestyle. And given the fact that I'm such an organization and planning and structure and system freak, I really am. I know I am, and I love it. That's how I run my projects, and that's so structure and organization and discipline allows me to do this many things in a, let's say, successful way. So I love structure and organization, and I even love to think in an organized and structured way. Like, I give myself these mental tasks. Anyways, I just play mental games in my brain. So anyways, I realized that these are the 3 groups that I should and I really have to host, and the BIOREGENESIS and LifeDesign is specifically focused on health and SoulPurpose Manifestation and everything that has to do with health and lifestyle. So that's this one group that I am running, or I am planning to run, that has all my past 14 years of experience in these areas. And I also have a weekly live and Q&A, and I'm also adding something extra that is just so basic, I think, and needed, and also fun: workouts. So every week we also have a workout session, because I do workouts and I instruct classes for 14 years in all various moments. So that's the mentor group that is attached to the LifeDesign modules if you want to have a support group. And I'm also into groups myself, and I just love them, and I know how beneficial they can be to really get you going. So see you later.